Spirit Jolly Phonics. Lesson 2. At the end of this lesson, the student will be able to trace letter by using fingers. Trace pre-writing strokes of letter S. Tracing. Yes, students, are you ready for tracing? Yes. First of all, do the air tracing. As you have seen in the previous lesson, yes, join two finger, middle finger and index finger, right? And do the tracing. Yes. Let's see this video. Here is a mat. Unroll mat by using your fingers. Place sand letter S tile on mat. Yes. Index finger, middle finger. Okay, join these two fingers and trace letter S over the top, across the middle and back. Once again, over the top, across the middle and back. Over the top, across the middle and back. Good. Excellent. Now you will place the tray of salt and sand in front of you on a mat, and by using these two fingers you will trace the letter, right? First of all, see this tracing, then you will write. Yes, index finger and middle finger. Right, join these two fingers. Yes, over the top, across the middle and back. Excellent. Now use the scale for planing surface of the salt. Yes. Over the top, cross the middle and back. Yes, once again. Over the top, across the middle and back. Excellent. Now you will do the practice on salt tray, sand tray at your home, right? Yes. Next. Open your textbooks. Wow, this is the letter S story. Wow, here is letter S. Once again for tracing, right? This is letter S. Open your book in front of you and trace the letter with me. Like this. Yes. Put the finger on the letter and let's start. And say with me. Over the top, across the middle and back. Once again. Over the top, across the middle and back. Good. Once again. Over the top, across the middle and back. Excellent. Very well done. Yes. Now, your homework will be workbook page number 7. Yes. Open workbook page number 7 in front of you. Yes. Okay. Trace the lines to complete the pattern. Yes. Wow, here is a snail. Snail. Right. Okay. You will complete by using pencil this pattern, right? And complete the snail. And also complete this pattern by tracing, right? Okay, students. Allah Hafiz.